Hey guys, this is Jam of jamonline.ph and welcome back to my video. And today you're looking at the Cherry Mobile Flare S8 Plus. So this is the best smartphone among the Flare S8 series. So nakikita nyo naman dito, we got here a full screen display. There's no notch in here. It's 19 by 9. It's full HD, but wala tayong notch dito. Because we do have a pop-up camera on the smartphone. So makikita nyo naman ang ganda ng looks ng Cherry Mobile Flare S8 Plus. Very minimal bezels on all sides. Dito sa baba, sa sides, sa taas, and dito sa other side. Sobrang nipis niya. Actually, mas manipis pa yung bezel niya yata compared sa Xiaomi Mi 9T. So anyway, sa loob ng smartphone na to is a MediaTek Helio P70 processor, which is really powerful. We also got here a 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of internal storage. This is a 6.26-inch Full HD Plus in-cell display, and it's running on Android 9 Pie with Cherry OS version 2. So makikita nyo dito, we also got here a USB Type-C sa baba. Although wala tayong headphone jack dito, pero maganda yung meron tayong USB-C. I mean, yes, it's flexible and a lot of phones are now adapting USB-C. I'm not sure if meron tayong kasamang dongle sa box, but I believe dapat meron. Pero kung hindi man, mura lang naman yon. So anyway, let's talk about the design of the smartphone. So sa unahan, we got here, let's see here, the pop-up camera. There we go. Medyo mabagal siya. It's not the fastest one or it's not the slowest one though. Pero there's a dual lens front camera on the smartphone. It's a 16 plus 5 front camera and I'm actually fine with it. I haven't tried the smartphone's camera pero maganda siya tignan and maganda naman hindi siya mukhang masisira na may ganto and mukha namang hindi naman lalambutin yung front camera smartphone in case madali niya siya. Then sa likod it's actually a triple lens camera sa likod, so we got a 5 AI cameras dito sa smartphone na to. So I'm not sure if you can see that one, medyo madilim, but we got here a triple lens camera at the back. So it is comprised of a 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus 2 megapixel rear camera. I'm not sure kung paano siya nagwo-work, if that's a monochrome or ultra wide, but I believe one of it is a depth sensor, and I think it's also monochrome similar to the Flare X3 kasi wala tayong ano dito wala tayong wide angle lens dito, but we do have AI in here. So one of the best things about the Cherry Mobile's Helio P70 processor dito is we got AI, so we got better photos, mas maganda yung optimizations ng kulay niya and everything. So let's talk about yung kanyang design. So on the right side, we got here the power button. I'm not sure if you could see that one kasi medyo madilim. We got here the power button and also the volume rocker dito sa part na to. And then sa taas, this is the where the pop-up camera pops up, yung selfie camera. And then yeah, so maganda yung likod niya. I'm not sure if this is glass, but actually reminds me of the Find X na meron tayong curvature dito sa baba. Nakikita niyo ba yan? May konting curvature tayo dun sa baba ng sa likod ng smartphone. Ayan, may konti dito. And yung itsura niya, yung build niya is actually curved. So, mas madali siyang hawakan. And since 6.26 inch lang siya, kahit wala kang case, hindi ka mamumblema with the smartphone. Maganda na siya tignan, okay pa siya hawakan, and comfortable siya paglaruan. So, okay na okay ako dito sa Cherry Mobile Flare S8 Plus when it comes to build quality and also sa design niya. And of course, maganda yung kanyang hardware and specifications. So, I guess that's it muna sa ating hands-on ng Cherry Mobile Flare S8 Plus. So the Cherry Mobile Flare S8 Plus is priced at 12,900. So this is the cheapest smartphone with a pop-up camera. We got also a really nice full-screen display, so I'm really interested on this one. So I guess that's it muna sa ating hands-on ng Cherry Mobile Flare S8 Plus. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if hindi pa kayo nag-subscribe sa channel ko, well, mag-subscribe na po kayo. Don't forget to check out my other social media accounts sa links below. So once again, I'm jamonline.ph. See you guys again sa susunod na video.